What I want to do now is just show you some of the apples. They're not doing as well this year. We had a really good crop last year, and we've got some fruits on there this year, but not as many as we would normally get. But what the tree is doing is making quite strong, long growth, and I want to keep these trees to a manageable size. So what I tend to do at this time of the year, sort of mid to late summer, is to do a little bit of summer pruning. This is a nice new stem here. I don't want that to keep growing because it's just going to make the tree big. So I'm going to cut this year's growth back by about 2/3 to a bud, which is just above a leaf there. We can see the leaf there and we've got a bud there. So I'm going to prune that back to there. I'm going to prune this one exactly the same to a bud. I'm going to prune this one to a bud. So what that does is it automatically takes a lot of this growth off the tree. So it means that not only does that keep it more compact, but it means the energy that would be used to make this grow is going to go into the fruits so that they will swell and then ripen in the autumn. By cutting this down now, this will make a new shoot from here next year, but it also means that if we look further down, we've got these fat buds here, and these will be next year's blossom and fruit buds. So it means the energy, instead of going all the way up there, is going to be concentrated on these to ensure that we get plenty of blossom and a good crop of apples next year.